Hello to my subscribers. This is Amorica and welcome Facebook Nail Group family. I am here to share today with you my haul from over the last week. I had so much fun and I could not wait to come back and share it with you. I'm going to start with the iGel Beauty Dip and Dap. This is like a dual system in the sense that this can also be used not only as a dipping system, but the powders can be used with a monomer and you can sculpt with them. It's a great system. I can't wait to use it and do a demo and try it out for you guys. So right now I'm going to show you everything I got and what you need in order to use it as a dip system. The first color I've got here by iGel Beauty, the Dip and Dap, is DP5 Dark Pink. And let's see, let's take a look at what's inside here. I had to tie them really tight so that I wouldn't have leaking everywhere. But as you can see, or seepage I should say, as you can see, it comes with this like little seal, so you don't have it going everywhere. As to what, when I show you the other one, the other name brand, the other brand that I got, you'll notice it's different and it didn't have the seal like these do. So that's really great, and the packaging is great. I really love the iGel Beauty packaging. Okay, the next color I have here is the DP3. This is the light pink. Okay, let's take a look here. We've got the DP2 French White. This is really pretty too. And like I said, the packaging is really nice. All right, and then we've got the DP1 Clear. And with fall around the corner, I went and got some more fall colors. So here we go. We've got, what's this one first here? Tequila Sunrise, DD38. This is really a nice, rich looking orange. Oh my God, I cannot wait to crack this open. And then I got here, it's more of like a fluorescent or a neon, great for making ombres and candy corns. Oh my God, I'm so excited about all the fun stuff I'm gonna do. This is DD66 Blazing Orange. Okay, got me some yellows, 2 yellows. So we've got here, the first one is Mellow Yellow. It is DD110. This is really pretty, almost like a canary yellow. It's really pretty. And then we've got DD67 Laser Lemon. Look at that. I mean, that's just phenomenal. That's just beautiful. All right, so we got a green. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I love this. All right, let's see what the name of this one is. It's Screamin' Green DD68. Look at that. Beautiful. And of course we've got some nice dark colors. Love it, love it, love it. This is like a plum coffee kind of color. It's DD96. It's called Choco Pie. And this one is a shimmer. Can't really tell in here. I tried to stick with more, yeah, there it is. I tried to stick with a little more matted only because I have tons of extra flying glitters and chunky glitters and tinsel, and I thought, you know what, I could add my own extra fine glitter to get that effect. And then here we've got At Midnight DD73. I was looking for a jet, but this is as dark as they had right now. This is all they had, but it's still beautiful. It's still dark. And in the other brand I got a jet. So, and they are comparable. The one that I'm going to show you is comparable to this. This one is just $1 more than the other one. This one runs $18.99 a pot. This one. This comes with, of course, the traditional activator, base coats, bonders. Here we have the iGel Beauty Dip and Dap #1 Bonder or Bond. Let's see. Comes with the base coat, #2. #3 is the activator. Number 4 is the top coat. Really nice bottles. I love the look of the bottles. And of course, it comes with the number 5 nourishing oil, but I make my own, so I just went ahead and got an empty bottle. It has the same type of brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my own nourishing oils. And all I do use is an oil base and add essential oils to it. And then of course the number 6, which is a must-have. It's your brush saver. So once your brushes start getting a little icky, or how should I say, just not performing like they should, this will get it back to performing like when you originally got it. So that's a must. Okay, that is all for the iGel Beauty. Then I went ahead and got a local, this is more of like a local brand to where I was. This one is Colors Powder. This is a professional use only powder as well. This, of course, let's see, I opened already the black. Let's pull that one out. Let's do that one first. This is the Jet, and it's called Kindle, and it's 113. And this is, like I said, comparable to the iGel Beauty. This one didn't come with seals, did it? Nope. Yeah, this one didn't come with a seal. So you have to be real careful, because see, right now I can feel all the dust. So you have to be really careful in keeping these up. Once you break the seal, they should be rested up, or at least at a slant, like so. You know, like that inside of a container. Nothing more than that, because then it will just over time finally come out. But as you can see, I mean, it's beautiful. And it is so, you can tell how fine it is just by me putting my finger in there and turning it over. It has a very, I mean, it's almost transparent. And as you continue to apply more coats and more coats, it will get darker. Okay. So let's start with this one. We just did this one. It is the, like I said, the Kindle 113. Then this one is the Page 108. It's almost like a crimson, or like a very burnt red. It's really pretty. Let's see. And of course I got all fall colors because we have the holidays coming up. This one is called Violet 097. I don't know why. It doesn't look violet. So, but it's still very pretty. It's almost like a burnt orange. The other one, this one is, you can see the difference in the color. Yeah, it's more of like a burnt orange. It's really pretty. And then we have this one here. It's called Ava 005. Very beautiful color. Very beautiful. Almost like a beigey, almost an opaque beige. It's really pretty. Okay. And here we go. Here's a plum. It's called Sahara 030. It's really pretty. And then this one is, it's called Olivia 050. That's a really pretty color too. Okay, we got, of course, the traditional clear with all of them. You need your clear to encase. And this one is just called Clear. And these ones ran, that was $18.99, $17.99 for these. And then here we've got the light pink. So now it's got, some of them got names and some just have numbers, it looks like. That's really pretty. And then the last one I got was, oh, okay, they're both light pink. Oh, I must have got an extra for a client. I think I did that. Yeah. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, this system was a little different in the sense that it only requires three of this as far as a component. Let's see. This one is the gel base. Can you see that? Oh, sorry about that. There you go. It's a gel base. This is 0.5 ounces. Tells you very clearly for professional use only. Number 2 is the activator. And then number 3 is the gel top coat. So that system only requires these 3, which I think that's pretty great. It's going to accomplish the exact same thing. It is compatible, and it is $1 less. And I thought that was fabulous. Okay, what else I got? I got a practice mat. I just love it. Some of these things I'm going to have in my shop, if not all of these, but remember, some of this is professional use only, so you do have to have a license in order to purchase it from me. So you just let me know what you're interested in. I can send out samples if you'd like for a small shipping fee, and that is a great way to try out products before you make the huge investment. This is like a silicone mat. Allows you to practice nail art or using your acrylics. That's great. And here is the website if you want to check it out. They have different ones on the website. I try to be compatible. If not, maybe a little bit less than them. I can try to do that for you. So you just let me know if you're interested in any of these. I do carry these in my little shop. Okay, let me see. I got 2 more things. I went and bought some more glue after running out. My glue, what I got this in bulk, so if anyone's interested in that, you just let me know. All right. And then, of course, what we all should have are safety glasses. You can't beat that. And they look stylish. Oh, I mean, I really love them. They don't look like, boxy. They look really stylish. I really like it. I really like them. I think they're really cool. I think, oh my God, I'm going to look so cool in those. It's not going to mess up my eye makeup or protect my eyes, and that's what I want. And I love that they're clear all the way around, so it's almost going to look like you don't even have them on. Isn't that great? I love it. Okay, so what I'm sharing with you now is going to be my glitters that I got. And some of you have already seen some of these things because you are a part of my family on Facebook in my nail group. But here is showing you some glitters that I got as well. These are all extra fine, these ones. And I don't know how many. I just went ahead and I created little names for them and I labeled them. But I don't remember how many ounces are in here. I think it's like maybe 1, if I'm not mistaken. But look at that, all those extra fine goodies. Okay, and then I went and got some tinsel. That's, start at the top. I'll slide that up there for y'all to see. Isn't that great? Look how beautiful. It was so much fun shopping. I had such a blast. All right, and then I purchased chunky glitter. Look at that. Oh, love the colors. Some of them have an AB coating, some don't. But with the light, they reflect beautifully. Isn't that great? All right. And then the last one is like a combination package. It's a combination of everything. But it also contains, which I didn't get a pack up, was just the I think they're called microbeads. But here these are. So you get your extra fine in this package, you get your chunky glitters, you get your tinsel, you get your microbeads, you get it all in this one. It's like everything I showed you, but not every color, but a little bit of everything. So you've got your extra fine, it's almost like a chartreuse, and then you've got your tinsel chartreuse, and then you've got a green micro bead. And then of course here is the white with like an AB coating on it. It's really pretty. But that's it. That is my haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, It's my recommendation to click on that bell after you have subscribed so that you can get notifications of my next video. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to share. And remember, thank you so much for being a subscriber and allowing me to share my passion for nails with you. Amorica signing off.